Hey everyone, so if you want to access your membership dashboard, you actually access that on the sister site daily.designables.com. And as I mentioned before, the membership is controlled through dailydesignables.com. And I'll have some links from Creators Couture as well in the future. But for right now, you can go to Daily Designables. And to access your membership dashboard, you go to the Login tab right here at the top, the navigation, and then click Member Dashboard. And then this is going to show you, this is all your membership dashboard area. So you can see what active subscriptions you have, what memberships you've signed up for. You've got a list here of active resources, and I'll go into this later. You have the option here to change your profile here and here, edit your profile. Right here, you can see your payment history. You can add or renew a subscription, and you can even contact me via the help desk. And it's an application that you can put in a ticket if you have a request, or I will also have an email link. So you can directly email me if you like, or if you like, you can use this help desk. So your membership is totally controlled through this dashboard right here on dailydesignables.com.